Hello everyone, my name is Butani and today's my video topic is broadband transmission. So there are two types of transmissions are available. One is baseband transmission and other is broadband transmission. Today we will learn broadband transmission. What is broadband transmission? So before transmission, the information or intelligence signal must be converted to electric signal compatible with the medium. Here, information or intelligence means original signal, like our noise, with compatible with medium. Medium means in which we want to transmit our signal, like a wire, space, anything. For example, a microphone change voice signal or sound wave into analog voltage of varying frequency and amplitude. This signal is then passed over a wire to speaker or headphone. In this example, voice signal is our information signal and wire is our medium. There are many other examples uh, like video signal is converted to electrical signal and then transmit through coaxial cable regardless whether the original information or intelligence signal are digital or analog. They are all called as a referred to as a baseband signal. Modulation is the process varying one or more properties of the periodic waveform called the carrier signal with a separate signal called modulated baseband signal or modulation signal. That is typically contains information to be transmitted. The carrier is usually a high frequency sine wave that is generated by a oscillator. The carrier is fed to modulator circuit along with the baseband intelligence signal. This intelligence signal changes carrier in a unique way, so we get different modulated signal. The modulated carrier is amplified and sent to the antenna for transmission. This process is called a broadband transmission. So, there are some points about broadband transmission. Broadband system use modulation technique to reduce the effect of noise. So, using FSK, we can transmit our signal through multiple frequencies. So noise is not affected. It establishes multiple channel unidirectional transmission using a combination of phase or amplitude modulation. So using a phase and amplitude modulation combination, we can establish multiple channels of unidirectional transmission. It uses analog signal for transmission. Broadband uses analog signal instead of digital signal for transmission, like ASK, FSK, PSK signals. In broadband transmission, the transmission of data is unidirectional or one direction. So we need two channels, for one for transmission and other channel is for receiving. It can travel long distance without having to be attenuated. Because of high frequency carrier, our signal is not much attenuated. In broadband transmission, frequency division multiplexing is possible. So, simultaneously, transmission of multiple signal is possible through different frequencies. Broadband is used in bus as well as tree topologies. In broadband transmission, amplifiers are used to enhance signal strength. Using it amplifier at a particular distances, we can amplify our uh, transmitted signal and retransmit to other. Broadband signal are sent through optical fiber, coaxial cable, or radio waves. Other is wireless, like that. Satellite is there. Broadband transmission has a 70 ohm impedance. It is difficult to install. Its maintenance cost is also high, expensive to design. It is mostly used in a cable, telephone networks, and internet connections. There are main six type of broadband technologies are available. One is digital subscriber line, cable modem, optical fiber, wireless, satellite, wireless, then satellite, and other is broadband over power lines, BPL. In DSL, we can transmit our data through copper wire that we use for uh, telephone line in our home. In cable modem, provide broadband using a coaxial cable that we use for watching TV. Optical fiber. Optical fiber convert electrical signal into a light and then transmit through glass fibers. In wireless, transmit data via radio waves. In wireless we can transmit data via radio waves. Satellite also one type of wireless, but in that we can transmit data through satellite which are available in our Earth orbit. In BPL, means broadband over power lines, we can transmit our data through existing power line that we use for our electricity. Here advantages and disadvantages. So advantages are like data transmission is fast because of high bandwidth. Long distance transmission is possible. Using modulation, we can transmit our signal for a long distance. Large bandwidth provision of transmission, reduce the effect of noise and less attenuated. Because of FSK, uh, we can less affected by noise. Frequency division multiplexing is also possible. Uh, Disadvantages are like additional hardware such as amplifier, multiplexer, demultiplexer are required. High cost of implementation, yes, and maintenance is very high. And design also is complicated because of unidirectional. Two channel are required. One is for transmission and one is for receiving. In this example, we can see that in baseband, we can send only one signal at a time. Instead of that, in broadband, we can send multiple signal at a time. It is advantages. In this image, we can see that our digital signal means baseband signal is go to modem. In modem, we can modulate to analog signal, that is broadband, and send it to antenna for transmission. In this image, we can see that baseband transmission. In baseband transmission, signal 1 to 3 are come at a time. But first of all, signal 1 is transmit, then signal 2, and then signal 3. In broadband transmission, signal 1 to 3 all are transmitted at a simultaneously, means at a time. So I will use these websites for my reference, making this short explanation. Using In this video, I will learn that how to make better video, how to other types of broadband technologies, and many other things. Thank you.